Hello, this is Grace for Magic Laser. With the advent of Industry 4.0, people's demand and requirements for metal products continue to increase, and more customers are beginning to learn about laser cutting machine. Now let me share with you our sheet and tube integrated laser cutting machine ST series. ST laser cutting machine is divided into two parts for set and tube, and the processing size of the plate is 3 multiplied by 1.5 meters. The system adopts CyberCut 2000, which has the functions of automatic edge finding, obstacle avoidance, automatic nesting, and so on. ST can not only process conventional metal sites, but also tube processing. It can process round tubes, square tubes, and other shapes of tubes, clamping diameters up to 230 mm. For length of tube, you can choose 3 meters or 6 meters tube. Message us and we will share offer to you as soon as possible. This is Grace. We will see you on next video.